Welcome to the class Sociology. Very good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Yes? Watching the videos? As you know, I am taking now your revision. In the revision, it is very important and latest course of Sociology. It's the first part which I am taking. After the second lesson, I am taking the third lesson. So, watch very carefully. What are the important revisions I am taking now? Lesson number 3, Social Institutions, Continuity and Change. Let us come to know about caste. What is caste? Do you know, children, what is caste? Hope you know caste. Okay, let me tell you. Children, the term caste from derived from the Portuguese word casta, which means a pure breed. In other words, it can also means a group, community of the people. कास्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ए जाति. हम कास्ट को क्या कहते हैं? जाति भी कहते हैं. सबकी कास्ट अलग अलग होती है, तो वी कैन कॉल कास्ट. एंड ये कास्ट कब कहाँ कैसे शुरू हुई? हाउ इट स्टार्टेड? दिस कास्ट वर्ड कास्ट derived from the Portuguese word casta, which means a pure breed, or we can say that it is a group community of a people. Caste is also called a jati. Caste को हम जाति भी कहते हैं. Now there are different caste. This caste is determined by birth and in which जहाँ जिस फैमिली में आप बिलोंग करते हो, what caste you are belong, you are born into your, that is your status. No choice, permanent. And there are many castes like Brahman. In sociology related lesson, Brahmans are there, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras. Brahmans are what? They are belong to the higher caste. And Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudras, this Shudras comes in where? In a lower caste. Isn't it? Now I'm going to tell you something more about that is endogamous marriage. किसे कहते हैं? Endogamy marriage within your caste अगर होती है, outside your gotra is also known as a caste, and there are honor of killing associated with the intercaste marriage. जब आप कोई intercaste में marriage करता है तो बहुत सारे पंगे भी खड़े हो जाते हैं. There are so many discriminations between it. The concept of the commonly within each caste has its own rule. हर अपनी caste का अपना एक rule होता है. Understand? They are having rules, regulations in term of, जैसे आप खाना खाते हो, कोई नॉन वेज खाता है, कोई वेज खाता है, तो दे इन ईच कास्ट are having their own rule and regulations also regarding their food. Understand? And that's why each caste has its own rules and regulations in terms of food. Understand? In terms of food, ritual, belief, norm, adi, extra. And the members have to also follow these rules very strictly. Understand? अब कहते हैं कॉन्सेप्ट pollution and purity क्या है? I'm not talking about the pollutions of these which pollutions due to factories, not that. I'm talking regarding caste, pollutions and purity. जैसे Brahmins are considered as a superior. Brahmins जाति को क्या माना गया है? सबसे सुपीरियर माना गया है, सबसे बड़ा माना गया है, सबसे उच्च वर्ग, अपर क्लास माना गया है. किसे? ब्राह्मण को. Brahmins are considered as a superior and pure, and Shudras were considered as inferior, that is impure. Is it clear? Once again? Okay. Brahmins are considered as a superior and superior. Is it clear? ब्राह्मण को क्या मानेंगे? Brahmins are considered as a superior and pure, and Shudras were considered as inferior and impure. It means he belonged to a lower caste and person touched an upper caste. The person they are considered themselves as impure and go their ritual to clean themselves. जब कोई अपर कास्ट के लोग जो होते हैं, अगर लोअर कास्ट उसे टच करते थे, उस टाइम उन्हें टच करते थे, तो वो अपने आप को अशुद्ध मानते थे कि ये इन्होंने हमें अशुद्ध कर दिया, कि लोअर कास्ट वाले पीपल ने हमें छू के अशुद्ध कर दिया. दैट इज नोन एज इम्प्योर. दैट इज नोन एज इम्प्योर. होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. इज इट क्लियर? Children, pay attention very well. I am talking about the Brahman's caste. Brahman caste is the superior caste, and which is other, which I told you, that is the lower caste. Which that caste? That is which just now I told you which caste is that. Shudras. I talk about Shudras. Understand? And therefore Brahmans as a superior caste, they are pure, and Shudras caste, the Shudras were considered as inferior, that is impure. That is impure. Is it clear? And if a lower caste person touch as the upper caste person, they consider themselves, वो अपने आप को क्या समझते थे? That we are impure, and they go through the rituals to clean themselves. तो अपने आप को नहाना शुरू कर देते थे, सफाई करना शुरू कर देते थे. इन्होंने हमें छुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा वो मानते थे इस चीज़ को कि इन्होंने हमें अशुद्ध कर दिया. Is it clear now? Pure and impure. Remember these things. Segmental divisions, that is खंडतमिक संगठन. Segmental divisions, that is खंडतमिक संगठन जिसे हम कहते हैं. It is the whole society is divided into caste and subcaste. Again I am talking about the caste. It is divided caste and subcaste. With whom it is divided? It is divided to, that is number 1 caste and number 2 is subcaste. Okay. Now, what are the occupation of these? Brahmins were meant to be a priest, teacher, kshatriya, and they were meant to be a serve and rest to do all the. Now what happened? Brahmins were meant to be a priest, teacher, kshatriya होते थे, and they were meant to be वीर, सबसे उच्च, and वैश्य were meant to be a businessmen होते थे, traders होते थे. Shudras were meant to be a serve and the rest and do to the dirty work. Yani lower class means dirty works they used to do. Those who belong to the lower class. जैसे dirty work का मतलब ये नहीं, dirty works means like झाड़ू पोछा करना, जैसे टॉयलेट्स क्लीन करनी. Is it? No social mobility. There was no mobility in terms of occupation. Understand? What are the principle of the caste? Principle of the caste क्या थे? Difference of separations. In each caste, distinct by itself, it has their own rules. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि every caste they have their own rule and regulations. These rule and regulations are ascribed status, occupations, endogamy marriage, concept community, concept of pollution and impurity, which I told you just now. What is endogamous marriage? The marriage within your caste. Endogamy means marriage with your caste, but outside your gotra. Out of your gotra means it is also known as a caste. There are honoring and killing the assorted those who are doing marriage with the intercaste. Is it clear? Now, the whole sum of hers that each caste depend on the other caste. हर एक कास्ट एक दूसरी कास्ट पर निर्भर करती है. Rather than their ignorance systems, each caste has their plays, their herschel systems. Each caste has their own occupation. हर caste में अपना एक occupations होता है. And as but there were no social mobility. Suppose एक सुनार है तो सुनार का बेटा सुनार कहलाएगा, लोहार का बेटा है तो वो लोहार कहलाएगा, right? So you have to go through this. I am taking this revision and listen carefully. Related to this only, what is caste, one questions I am giving you. Note down in your revision work कि what is caste.